Hi you guys. So I am in Jacksonville, Alabama, and I'm at my daughter's volleyball practice. You know, she's on the traveling volleyball team, and I passed a factory connection. You guys, I can't remember the last time I've been to a factory connection. So I was like, I'm gonna go in there and check it out and see what all they have, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Hopefully we can find some great finds. So let's see what factory connection have. Okay guys, so with this time change comes along with it getting dark really early. So it's so dark outside, like you would think it's already like 7, 8 o'clock. So anyway, I just arrived at Factory Connection in Jacksonville, and this is not the best Factory Connection I've ever seen. It looks a little kind of, I don't know, old and kind of just like it's out in the middle of nowhere, even though it's connected to like a Hibbets. But anyway, you guys, it just looks a little deserted, which is good. Maybe people won't be in there staring at me as I record. Let me just get. So you guys, as you can see, this is the Factory Connection right beside Hibbets Sports. Okay, you guys, so today my hair is all of my hair, so do not come for me. None of you come for me because my hair is all over my head. I have on just a white lace blouse and some Fashion Nova skinny jeans and my fabulous sequins wedges that I wear as tennis shoes. Okay, you already know I'm kind of extra. Okay, you guys, so let's go shopping. It don't look like that many people in here, so maybe everybody won't look at me like I'm crazy for vlogging. But anyway, Factory Connection. I cannot remember the last time. Okay, as you know, I always go to the clearance racks first. So I see this buy 2 get 1 free, 75% off. So we're gonna see what we can find on there. Oh my gosh, I already found something. $3. It ties up in the front. How cute. Do they have budgies? I think I found something as soon as I came to the door. This one. So y'all know I'm really into shawls. I really love this green color. I don't know, this one's really cute too though. I like the colors on this because this could be really cute for the spring because it's like a beige and pinks. So I don't know, I probably get a lot of wear out of this one. I think this is a dress, but I'm kind of tall, so this will be too short for me. Y'all don't have any buggies, do you? No. You guys, look at this one. Now this one here be really, really cute with denim, but that is a small. But that's really, really pretty. Oh, now look at these. These are kind of like off the shoulder. And this one's really cute. $3. And look at the bold flower print colors. I don't know. That's pretty. I like the stripes in it. So I think this would be really cute with some skinny jeans, some black high-waisted pants, a skirt. I think I'm gonna try this one on. Oh, look at this one, y'all. This one's pretty too. Really pretty. $4.50. I don't know what you guys think. I don't know. I'm not sold on that pattern. Oh, no, I love this one. This one's really cute, but it's a medium. I'm not sure if I can squeeze in it. But you know, we still have some cool days with the spring coming. So I'm going to try. They got shoes, buy two, get one free. But I have a big feet, so they probably don't have no 10s left. These are really cute. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. A size 7, like I told you. If you have a small feet, you can always find the best shoes. This is the time I wish my brother was here to record for me. It's hard to shop and record at the same time. Oh, this is cute. I love that plaid. Plaid has gotten really, really popular again. Like that trend is coming back. And these kind of blouses camouflage your stomach. So if you're trying to camouflage your stomach, when you find a blouse that crosses over, it really gives the illusion that your waist is smaller. These pants, these are adorable. Especially for the spring. Those are so cute. I love them. These are kind of like crop, stop at your ankle. But these are really cute with a pink top. This would be cute for the spring with the green color. Love it. I know this woman probably think I'm crazy because I'm vlogging. It's 2019. I think everybody know what vlogging is now. If they don't, then they should. I'm not crazy, by the way. I'm vlogging. I have a fashion YouTube page. At 7? Okay. What time is it? Oh, goodness. Okay. Y'all close early. This skirt. Look at this skirt. I love this skirt. Okay. So they close at 7. So I have to hurry. Oh my gosh, look at these pants. These pants are so cute. What size are they?
It has the big girls, isn't it?
It is. Do y'all be open on the weekends too?
Yes. We're 10 to 7 Monday through Saturday and Sundays 1 to 6.
Okay. Okay, you guys, so didn't get to do much shopping because the place closed at 7. So I know how it is when people are ready to go. So I ended up spending $20 literally, and I got some blouses and some pants, and I don't know, you guys, I did pretty good. I'm glad I said something because you know how like they're closing, they really ready for you to go, but I guess she wasn't gonna say nothing. I had no idea that they closed at 7. So you know how like that person comes in at the last minute and is wanting to shop. I know she wanted to probably kick me completely out of the store. So I'm definitely gonna have to come back up here like on a day that she said it's 7 o'clock every day, and all the practice one at 6:30. So I'm definitely gonna have to come back because oh my goodness, you guys, oh my goodness, I ended up getting like, I paid like $20.35, and they had like a buy 2 get 1 free. So I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Oh my goodness, I racked up, you guys.